Hey, how you guys doing? Can I get you guys to stop filming really quick? Can I get you guys to stop filming really quick? What are you guys filming for?
Better not touch my shit, dude.
Well, what are you guys filming for?
Don't touch my camera, man.
What are you guys filming for?
Don't touch my shit.
What are you guys filming for?
It's none of your fucking business, dude.
Oh, damn, like that?
Yeah. Why are you coming up on us?
It's free country, right?
What are you guys
Not
filming
in
for?
somebody's personal space.
You're in our personal space.
What
No,
are you
dude,
guys
we're on a
filming
public
for?
sidewalk. That's
What are you
private
guys-
property. Then you come up and get in our personal space.
What are you guys filming for? Are you guys here because you guys are feds?
Here we go.
Fellas? What's going on, guys? No? We're not gonna talk about it? No? Okay. What's it? I don't know, they're being weird.
Hey, how you guys doing? Can I get you guys to stop filming really quick? Can I get you guys to stop filming really quick? What are you guys filming for?
Better not touch my shit, dude.
Well, what are you guys filming for?
Don't touch my camera,
shit.
man.
What are you guys filming for?
Don't touch my shit.
What are
dude.
you guys filming for?
It's none of your fucking business, dude.
Oh, damn, like that?
Yeah. Why are you coming up on us?
It's free country, right?
What are you guys
Not
filming
in
for?
somebody's personal space.
You're in our
That's
personal space.
What
No,
are you
dude,
guys
we're on a
filming
public sidewalk. That's
What are you
private
guys-
property. Then you come up and get in our personal space.
What are you guys filming for?
Hey, man, it's a free country, man. We can do whatever the fuck we want.
What-
With no purpose. With
Hey,
no purpose.
I haven't cussed at you. Relax.
With no purpose, man.
Relax.
With no purpose.
Relax.
No, you don't have to
No.
tell me to
Relax.
Don't tell us to relax.
Then
When
talk
he
to
comes
me
up and puts his
correct.
hand in front of our cameras.
Come to me correct.
I said it.
Come to me correct. I haven't talked to you guys down.
You
Don't
You
come at me
started
like
cursing.
man.
You started
You came up
cursing.
on us, man.
You
You
started
came up
cursing.
on us.
You
You all
started,
up in my
and
personal
we're
space,
asking a simple
putting your
question.
hands in front of my camera.
I
All right,
didn't
what
you
are
started
you guys-
threatening.
I
You
didn't
ask you
threatened.
for all that.
You
What are you
threatened.
guys
Guys act like you
There's
couldn't
no
you
need
threaten?
for all that,
Did you
man.
not threaten? Did
There's
you
no
not
need for all
threaten?
that.
Answer
What are
the
you guys
question. Did
filming?
you not threaten?
There's no
Exactly.
need
Don't
for
answer
all
the
that.
question.
What are you guys
You
filming?
threatened. You threatened.
What are you guys
There
filming?
you go.
Look,
There you go.
Get your hands off
What are
my
you guys
camera
It ain't on it.
before I
It
have
ain't
your
on
ass
it.
arrested.
Go ahead,
Fuck.
because I ain't done
Yeah?
nothing. I ain't done
Get your
nothing.
hands
What
off
are
my
you
It
guys
camera.
ain't on
filming
it.
for?
It's not on it. It's
You
not on
already
it.
hit it.
It's not on it. I didn't
You
see
already
anything.
hit
I
it.
didn't see. You twisted it.
already
You
hit it.
twisted it.
You
You
already
twisted
hit
it.
it.
Come on,
What are you guys filming for? Really?
What is this, dude?
What are you guys doing? What are you guys
Yeah, 'cause
doing?
It's a free country.
What are you guys doing?
All right, dude.
What are you guys filming for? What are you guys filming for? Tell me what you guys are filming
man, because we can.
for. For what though?
Because we can.
You embarrassed of who you filming
Because
for?
we can, man. Because
Who are
we
you
can.
filming for?
Because we can. There's no reason. There's no
Who are
reason.
you guys
We don't have
filming
to give
for?
you a reason.
There you go.
I'm asking, what are you guys filming for?
There you go. Get a good
Alright,
shot.
What are you guys filming for?
We don't have to answer any questions, man.
What are you guys filming for?
We don't have to answer
He
any
does.
questions.
What are you guys filming for? What are you guys filming for?
These are the ones that go on the YouTube all the time. I swear. Ooh. It's weird, dude.
Weirdos.
I fucking came out here. Like,
Weirdos.
what the fuck is
It's just a simple, hey, we're just filming for whatever, documentary, like they always say. That would have been an easy answer.
Oh, that's because he has his shirt on.
Yeah, I know, but he starts talking, but he doesn't answer questions.
Hey, have Brandon call the cops. Get these jokers out of here. Guys, man up and just tell us, hey, we're here because you guys like
documentary, whatever it is. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as you don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to. But that's a simple thing to do. That's all it is. Simple answer question.
Hey, you guys here because you guys are feds? Fine. You guys here because you guys are this or that? Fine. You guys here because you guys got nothing else to do? Nobody's paying you guys? That's fine. Who are you? Who are you? We do this all day long.
Let me see that, Steve.
It's kind of hot outside.
Yeah, I know, right?
Well, we know you could be trying to break into this car. We don't know.
Yeah, you think so?
You look like you could.
Use your better
It looked like
judgment.
you could. It looked like you could. It looked like you could. No, you You use your better judgment.
You guys gotta go. You guys gotta go. I said so. I said you guys gotta go. I said you guys gotta go. I said you guys gotta go.
We're gonna take care of that. That's that cost.
Yeah, back off.
Yeah, that's the good advice, man. Back off.
Dude, go into the street a little further. Couple more steps that way.
See you later. See you later. See you later. See you later. Back off. See you later.
I believe they're Hispanic.
Joker. Joker. That's right. Back off. See you later, Joker. Bye-bye.
475. I'm not sure they're out of the car. I don't know what car they're in.
Have a good day, man.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again.